everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial with GretaWings. This time we will use chenille yarn with 5.0 millimeters hook. We need stuffing and wool needle, and that's it. I hope and you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's start. We will start making 2 equal pieces, and I'm already made one. Just 2 rounds for this piece, starting with a magic ring and 6 single crochet. When I work the single crochet with chenille, I made a single crochet in a form of V. Then 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can close the magic ring strong but slow, because if you close fast and strong, maybe broke. Then put some mark if you think that is necessary, because all these hurt we will working in a spiral. Then on round 2, just make sure that you have 6 single crochet on the beginning. On round 2, starting with 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch 1 increase, and we will repeat exactly the same 2 times more. It's 3 times in total. 1 single crochet, and then 1 increase, 1 more time, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. Then we will finish this round with 9 stitches. Just repeat the round 1 with a magic ring and 6 single crochet, and this round 2 one more time to get 2 equal pieces. Cut the yarn, and that's it with the first piece. With the second one, doesn't cut the yarn because we will continue making the union. Then this union we will start on round 3 with 9 single crochet on this first piece. You can start in whatever stitch that you prefer. I will start on the second one here. Then 1 single crochet, 2. For my third single crochet, at the same time I will hide and secure this thread. Then 3 single crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then on the next piece, 9 single crochet more. Don't worry about this mark, I will put it later again. Then on this piece, 9 single crochet. 1. Don't worry about this, we will close now. 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That's it. We already finished this round with 18 stitches. Now, using a wool needle, we will close on this center. Then pay close attention, and you can see how to do that. It's very easy. What I recommend is that you use a wool needle with a big hole, because if you use with small hole, maybe the chenille broke when you sewing. let's start with round 4, making 18 single crochet. Put some mark and 18 single crochet. 1, 2, and just continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 5, starting with 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 1 decrease. And I will make the traditional decrease, but you can make this decrease however you prefer, okay? Then we just need to repeat 2 times more, 4 single crochet and 1 decrease, and we will finish this round with 15 stitches. On round 6, let's start with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and now 1 decrease. Repeat exactly the same 2 times more, and we will finish this round with 12 stitches. Then on round 7, let's start with 1 single crochet, and after that 1 decrease, and we will repeat exactly the same 3 times more. It's 4 times in total. We will finish this round with 8 stitches, and this is the last round. After this round, we need to put stuffing, not too much, just a few stuffing just for the form of this heart. And later we will close using a wool needle. Please, every time, make everything with chenille slowly, okay? Then you can see how to do this and close. Then we already finished this leader. It's not small because it's with chenille, but it's a very small pattern. I hope you like it, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment and subscribe. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end, and see you on the next video tutorial. Bye!